guys, welcome back to the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to disable pure mode on PolyBuzz app. Right, so first thing you have to do is make sure the PolyBuzz app has been updated, is up to date. So just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for PolyBuzz, and you're going to see it if it's updated or need an update. Right, so after doing that, the next thing you have to do is you have to go to your PolyBuzz app, open it up just like this, and okay, just like this, and click below. You can see that sign of your profile right there. Click on it, and the next thing you have to do is look above your screen. You can see the settings icon right there. Click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to take some while to actually on, and after that you're going to see the pure mode app right here. So all you need to do is click on it and it's going to turn off. So once you click on confirm, it's going to confirm and it's going to turn off automatically. You can see how easy it is. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.